In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Mailchimp emails in a browser. This is a handy skill for marketers, entrepreneurs, or anyone looking to ensure their email campaigns look perfect before hitting the inboxes of their audience. First things first, head over to the Mailchimp login page. It's important to securely log into your account to access your campaigns, so make sure you're at the official site. You'll know you're in the right place by the familiar Mailchimp logo, and the login fields awaiting your credentials. Once there, you'll be prompted to enter your username or email address associated with your Mailchimp account. This step is essential for identifying your account and ensuring that your campaigns and data are kept secure. Take a moment here to ensure you're entering the correct details to avoid any login issues. After typing in your username or email, the next field you'll encounter is for your password. Passwords are the key to keeping your account protected, so type yours carefully. If you've forgotten it, don't worry, there's usually a link to reset it. Now you're all set to click on the Login button. By doing so, you're a step closer to viewing your email campaigns in the way your subscribers would see them. Clicking this button should smoothly transition you into your Mailchimp dashboard, a hub of your marketing efforts and campaigns. Upon successful login, make your way to the home page of your Mailchimp account if you're not taken there automatically. This page acts as a starting point for all your Mailchimp activities. From here you can navigate to various sections, including the one we're interested in today, the campaigns section. Click on campaigns to get an overview of all your marketing endeavors. You'll see everything from ongoing to completed campaigns. This section is neatly organized so you can easily find the campaign you wish to review in browser. After locating the campaign you're interested in, it's time to select it. Your chosen campaign will highlight once clicked, hinting at the next steps available for its management and review. This is the moment of truth where you're steps away from seeing your campaign just as your audience will. Look for the preview option for your selected campaign. It's a straightforward yet powerful feature that lets you simulate how your email looks across different devices, and more importantly for our purposes, in a web browser. Now onto the final and most crucial step. Right-click on the View Email in Browser option that appears within the preview mode, then select Open Link in New Tab. This action does exactly what it says. It opens a new browser tab displaying your email, just as someone would see it if they chose to view it online instead of in their email client. Opening your email campaign in a browser like this serves multiple purposes. It's not just about proofreading or checking the layout. It's also an excellent way to understand the overall user experience. How quickly does it load? Are all the links working as expected? These are the kinds of questions that reviewing your email in browser can help answer. Remember, every detail matters when it comes to email marketing. From the subject line to the footer, your subscribers' engagement depends on a seamless experience. Viewing your emails in a browser before sending them out is a simple yet effective step to ensure your campaigns are as strong as they can be. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to view your Mailchimp email campaigns in a browser. This process isn't just about ticking off a task on your to-do list. It's about ensuring quality, engagement, and ultimately campaign success. Whether you're announcing a new product, sharing news, or crafting a compelling story, seeing your email through your subscribers' eyes can make all the difference. Thank you for following along in today's tutorial. I hope you found these steps straightforward and helpful. Remember, the devil's in the details, so taking the time to review your email campaigns in a browser is a step you won't want to skip. Happy emailing!